And there you have it. Everything you need to know to start creating a highly effective YouTube video advertising campaign. It's a lot to take in, but once you get stuck in, you'll find that it's easy and actually quite fun to learn on the job. So where do you go from here? After creating your account, the best thing to do is to try creating a simple video that sells a product by using people on Fiverr to create a whiteboard animation or by making something in PowerPoint. You can then set this up as a simple in-stream advert and link it to a sales page selling your own information product or an affiliate product. This will very quickly teach you the basics of YouTube advertising, and you'll be able to learn what works and how to get set up. From here, you can then go about building your YouTube channel by adding more content, setting up your page, and trying out different advanced targeting options, and so on. Over time, you'll find that you grow and that you're able to increase traffic to your channel and drive more conversions and profit. And as you do, keep in mind these tips to help you get even more from your efforts. Consistent branding. Keep your branding consistent across your videos and across your social media and website. Key to this is creating a great logo, and again, it's worth commissioning someone to do this if you're unsure of your own skills in that department. Make your videos discoverable. You can set your adverts to be unlisted to prevent them showing up in searches, but that's not really the best move. It makes much more sense to let people discover your content, and that way you can be seen by even more people. Watch your metrics. Keeping an eye on your metrics is the #1 way to see what's working and what's not. Watch your analytics closely and tweak your videos and targeting for the best possible outcome. Match your strategy to your brand. Don't create a brand and then try to market it. Create a product with a vision for how you'll market it right at the start. This means researching niches, thinking about your current contacts, and generally coming up with a synergistic plan. And of course, you should match your video to your strategy. Likewise, make sure that your video is right for its intended purpose. Decide which type of YouTube ad you'll be making before you create the video. This is important as you'll need your video to be the right length for it to be selectable for certain types of advertising campaign. You should also watch the competition. Watching the competition closely is a great way to get an idea for what works and for the rhythm of a good video ad. Build your channel. Don't think of your YouTube ads and your channel as separate entities. Build them up together at the same time, and one will support the other. Apart from anything else, having only 100 subscribers somewhat undermines your point if you're talking about your amazing internet marketing skills. There are many, many more tips and tricks, of course, but you'll learn these as you go. Time to dive in and make a start on your journey to YouTube advertising excellence.